Welcome to SeeSteps. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to install a NetBox plugin. So I've got my demo environment. As you can see, I have no plugins installed. Yeah, as you can see, it's 4.09. One of the things you'll notice on the old versions, there are no plugin tabs. Whereas if you're on the latest version of NetBox, what they've done now is they've listed the plugin section, and it kind of gives you all the plugins that are available for NetBox within a single pane of glass. And it kind of points out which ones are certified, which ones are installed in your environment. Of course, you can also go to the website, and within this particular website, it would list all the NetBox plugins. You can look into it further by clicking the download button, and it kind of gives you a brief idea on terms of the installation method, but that's usually for the native appliance, the ones that are not NetBox Docker. The KB that we will be following is the one that's available on the NetBox community GitHub repository, and it kind of gives you the full command list in terms of how to go about installing the NetBox plugin. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. So go on your NetBox appliance. Actually, before you start, please take a backup of your VM, or at least take a backup of your NetBox appliance, just in case you need to revert back. Point to note, if you follow this guide, it will update your NetBox appliance to the latest version. If you want to maintain the version that you're on, then please go on my GitHub repository. All the commands and values that you should use if you want to maintain your current version, please use that document. If you use the one that I am showing here on the video, it will update your appliance. So to get started, the first thing you need to do is go to the directory that your NetBox Docker is within. Enter the following command. Import the plugin that you wish to enable. So in my case, I'm going to be installing two. So I'm going to be installing NetBox DNS and NetBox BGP. And then enter the following command. Within this document file, import the required. Now this particular section, as you can see, it says secret key, but if you go to the official document, it will state that this secret key is only used during the installation, so there's no need to change it. Save that and then close, and then open the following document. For awareness, the version line has become obsolete, so you can choose to keep it or remove it, but in my case I've chose to remove it. And then import the following values, and then save and close. Run the following command to open up the plugin file within the configuration folder, and then import the following. This might be different for you depending on the plugin that you wish to enable. After that, run the following command. For awareness, just like most of my videos, I have speeded up to shorten the video. Run the following command to recreate your containers. You may get the following status stating that your container is in an unhealthy state. However, if you give it 2 to 3 minutes, it should go back to a healthy status, so it's just a matter of waiting. I've left all the commands that I've used within this video within my GitHub. There's a link within the description for your reference. After 3 minutes, your container should be up, and we're going to refresh our NetBox appliance. As you can see, I refreshed the browser, and now we're on the latest version of NetBox. And yeah, you can see the plugins has been installed. So I've got NetBox DNS, and then within the plugin section, you can see BGP is within my appliance. So yeah, in a nutshell, this is how you install NetBox plugin. And if we go back and check our container status, it should be now in a healthy state. So yeah, hope this video was informative. If there's anything else, do leave a comment, do like and subscribe.